Want to play Assassin's Creed 2 on your PC in 2026, completely free and without confusing errors? In this video, I'll show you the fastest working method, step by step. I provided the link in the comment section. Copy the link and paste it on your browser. This is how you get the game file. Just do exactly same like me. Download the file and unzip it, and install the like any other application. Wait for verifying. After success, click on Continue. A new window will pop up. There, press on Continue, just I've shown in the video. Another new window will pop up. Close the window and go back to the previous window. Press on Continue and click on Get Link. Repeat the same process. If the video helps you, leave a like and subscribe. That would help me a lot. When this window will show, wait 15 seconds and press on Get Link slightly below. If the video helps you, leave a like and subscribe. That would help me a lot. Download the file and unzip it, and install the Assassin's Creed 2. After installing the Assassin's Creed 2, you need to optimize the game in order to fully enjoy the game. Watch this video on the right point.
Ah, there you are.
What are you and your allies planning? Is this what my father discovered? Is this why he was killed?
I'm sorry. Were you hoping for a confession?
Pezzo di merda! Vorrei solo che avessi sofferto di più! Hai avuto la fine che meritavi! Spero che
Enough, Ezio! Show some respect.
Respect? After all that's happened, do you think he would have shown either of us such kindness?
You are not Fieri. Do not become him. Che la morte ti dia le pace che cercavi. Requiesca in pace.
If
Take
the video
this.
helps you, leave a
Read it
like
when
and
you have the
subscribe.
time.
That would help me a
Our
lot.
work here is finished. Let us return to the villa.